log in to Krea AI account? Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Krea AI account. In order to log into your Krea AI account, first of all, you will need to ensure that you have already created an account on it. Once you have done that, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in Krea.ai. Now tap on the go button in order to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Krea AI. Once you reach to this page at the top right, you'll be able to locate the sign up button. Simply tap on the sign up button and then you will be presented with this login interface. Here, if you have used your Google account previously, then you may choose continue with Google. And if you have created an account using email address, then simply tap on the box at the bottom and there type in your email. Once after entering your email, tap on continue with email button at the bottom and then you will be presented with this interface. Here in this box, you will need to enter the password of your account. Make sure to enter the correct password here. If in case you don't remember your password, you may also tap on this forgot password link just below the password box and from there you will need to follow the instructions in order to recover or reset your password. And after doing that, now enter the correct password in this text box. Once after entering the password, now finally tap on the login button at the very bottom. By doing so, within a while, you will see you have been successfully logged in to your Krea AI account. Now you'll be able to access your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your Krea AI account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.